This is ROCCAT's most affordable or cheapest keyboard that they sell. It's not as good as their higher end ones, but it's still worthy of the ROCCAT name and a good quality membrane, entry-level gaming keyboard. It looks right at home next to one of their mouses and headsets. Despite being the most affordable, in my opinion, it is their nicest looking one thanks to the backlit top plate and the beautiful color scheme used for their lighting. This is a good budget option if you are building a battle station and your funds are limited. I would take this over a no-name brand mechanical keyboard in this same price category. Cherry MX RGB Speed Silver, aluminium top plate and curved design, car audio style rotary volume control knob. Light up your battles with 13 frontal and 14 360-degree base lighting effects in 16.8 million true RGB colors. Compatible with TT RGB Plus and it takes software. Such a high quality built keyboard. I got the TKL version and it's very compact. I really love the magnetic wrist rest. It looks even better with PBT keycaps and the RGB shines nicely. This has lots of good features and best for its price. Typing is insanely fun with the brown keys. The PC gaming keyboard is ergonomic styling in an ultra-low profile. Professional 10 keyless free mechanical keyboard. The wired keyboard with durable laser-etched and grip-coated keys. The mechanical gaming keyboard with 5 LED color options for wider customization.